It's a nice space bar. Thermal Plus. Some of you guys might call this like the hair comb one. But I wanted to share with you guys something. I don't know. This is like a personal thing. This weekend / Friday, I really did some, not soul searching. I don't know the right word for it. But I really kind of sat down with myself, man. Like I really like had to pull myself aside. Like I had to like, it's weird to say that, but I did. Reflecting, I think, is a good word too. And I'm gonna be honest, guys. I think I've been very like high stress, off camera and stuff. Just like high stress, very like not on edge per se, but I think very like sensitive in a way too, to a lot of things. I think for a long time, talking to myself, yeah. For a long time in my life, I think I've been not told what to do, but had very little choice. Not to anyone's fault, just circumstance, right? Whether it came to like my motivation for things, etc. I feel, and I've always felt like I never had much choices. And doing some self-reflecting, like I really sat down and thought about it, dude. That shit's like, I feel like it's just all in my head. And what I'm telling myself now and what I'm gonna like try to adhere by is like some shit doesn't fucking matter. Like I just have to like let some things go. In a way, it's kind of like picking your battles, I suppose. But I think the best thing for me to do mentally is like, I cling on to like little things. It's like a control thing, kinda. Like I think like because I lacked control, I want to make sure that the little pieces of my own life, you know, are all in place the way that I want them to be. But yeah, I think something just hit me while I was thinking of all this stuff, and I was watching some even some videos about other people going through some stuff too like this, and it just comes down to this whole thing of like, you can't you can't, man. You just have to like roll with the punches. And that's kind of like what I was thinking about. And I think it's a healthier way to, I guess, go about stuff. So I'm going to try to implement some stuff like this into like more talks like this into streams. Cause like at the end of the day too, I was also thinking about what value, like I think I've always had this like, I don't know, man, this like thing about value for myself too. Like what value do I bring with people? And I think that's toxic for me even to like think that about myself. But at the same time, like, I think the value that we all bring to each other is just like a human connection as well. Sounds like mushrooms? Mushrooms? No, I didn't have no mushrooms. The only mushrooms I've been having are these nootropics. That's it. I've been taking lion's mane. But I think so good, yeah. Functional mushroom, son. I think that's the way I think I want to go about things now, is just taking it one step at a time instead of like trying to really plan things out. Like, I think now I'm just trying to go through this thing of who cares? Who cares for some of the stuff that I can't control? My thing now, like what I want to focus on is how can I bring myself some happiness, because that's important too, and just make other people happy. I think I lost sight of that honestly, you guys might not have noticed, but I think I kind of lost sight of that for like a year. Where I just kind of like, instead of making other people, like going out of my way to make other people happy, I think I was trying to like double dip to save time because I was so busy with everything else. But now that I'm starting to realize, I'm like, yo, that's not good. That's like selfish in a way too. So, looking forward to more of these in the future. Yeah, I plan to like hold myself accountable with all this stuff too. Like I really do. So I'll be probably talking with you guys like every Sunday about this stuff when I wake, like when we do our wake up streams kind of. Your wake up streams might go to sleep streams. Hey, yo, I already opened it. I need to make sure this is the right color. I don't trust Rama products with colors anymore. So I need to make sure that I received rose gold. So that's why I opened it already. Wow, shiny. I have to admit, I think the color turned out pretty nice for this. Again, I don't care for these shiny plates. I really don't. because they're gonna be covered anyways, and they end up looking really gross eventually. But dude, I have to give it to WILBA. The thermal's pretty, man. I don't care what anyone says. This is a fucking nice keyboard. The rose doesn't come out so much on the gold. Yeah, the rose is sorta there. It's sorta. Like you can kind of see it from certain lights. There's more gold here. I still don't mind this though. Hey Alex, has your switch preference changed lately? Absolutely not. I just finished lubing these. These are for, every now and then I'll like take a batch of KTT roses and just lube them. And I'm just like, what am I putting these in? I can see the rose from this angle. It's a little, like, I can see the rose from this angle, but not when I like go on top of the board. Then I can't see it. It's not two roses, more gold. We got our thermal cap here too. Are strawberries similar to roses? I'm gonna be honest, like, I struggle to feel the difference when it comes to strawberries versus roses. Maybe it's just me. Yeah, it's definitely not a bad color. Like, I don't mind it at all. Oh, I did get a soluble PCB. Oh, did they send me an extra PCB? This is new. I've never seen this before. The fuck's the point of this? Are these Rama postcards? For general release postcards, international use? I mean, it's good. It's a... Low key, this is kind of cute, I guess. I don't know if I'll ever use something like this, but send me the postcard. I should make postcards and redeem them to send to you guys. That'd be really fun. They sent the solder and hotspot PCB. I think I just ordered, I don't remember what I ordered now. Dude, I feel like it's been so long, but I just ordered, God, I love the bottom of this board. That's so hot. You know what okay, I'm going off topic now, but anyways, I just ordered a solder. I'm pretty positive anyways. I would kill for, do you guys remember the original thermal? Did it have like that really nice red run of it? Am I going crazy? Remember, like, that happened, right? There was a red thermal, right? There's something really pretty about all red boards, but I mean, this is nice too. This is definitely different. I don't go for this color anymore, so this is definitely nice seeing this, but old WILBA PCBs. Gotta love it, dude. There's a lot of RGB on this thing. Well, perky. Gotta love WILBA PCBs. I've been waiting 84 years. I actually don't remember. It's been a while though. It has indeed been a while. Do I need any of this stuff other than the little gasket thingies? Not really. We can toss this all to the side. Oh baby, this is gonna be beautiful. Rama has the best looking plates. WILBA designed this plate. I don't know if Rama was the person who decided on the finish for this plate. I think it was still WILBA. There is flaws with this plate though because of the way it's sat in the case. On the Rama products like the M65B and stuff, I actually really don't personally like the shiny PVD stuff. It's very nerve-wracking to work with. All right, we're done soldering. Now let's apply these little pour-on pads. Okay, it's been a while, but I think I apply them, what, here? Fuck, I don't know if Marcia, do I apply it here, 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 here? Do I just apply it like near the screw holes? It's been a while. I don't remember where they go. The bottom and spaced out a little bit from the screw holes. Oh, so not that close? Go with WILBA, Rama says top. I'm pretty sure we're supposed to do the bottom. Alex, is there any explanation for why stabs can't be scratchy sometimes? My spacebar is so scratchy? Or why they can be scratchy? So one of the other explanations I can kind of give you as to why sometimes they can feel a little bit scratchy is if you have a space bar that's warped and it's putting pressure like I guess horizontally, like, or perpendicular, whatever the word is, opposite ways, that warp will cause a scratch. So try some different space bars. Also, just maybe you just need to add a touch bit more lube. It could even be the way you screwed it in, but that's the only real reason it'll sometimes be scratchy. Other than that, like, I would kind of embrace the scratch. It's not always a bad thing per se, but Mr. Toes, how is it hanging? It's going good today, dude. We're just kind of finalizing our keyboard today. All right, keycap time. It's GMK WOB time, everybody. WOB, because it'll look great on this. Let's put this to the side. Let's grab this. Okay, I'm already happy with this. Oh, wait, guys, can we appreciate this for a sec? This looks fantastic. Damn. This looks great. My room got a little bit brighter because now it's really sunny outside, but I'm very happy with this build. Yeah, this looks fantastic. You can even see like on the keycaps the reflection of this color. Not as bright as you. Oh my god. All right, shall we see what this sounds like? Dude, I'm actually very happy with this. Actually, the thermal USB-C port is actually really cool. You can only see the wire. Look at that. That's actually really nice. Where's my mouse? Oh, here it is. Wow, that looks great. All right, I want to see what this sounds like. Ooh, I am very happy with the way this turned out. A little HJ test, perhaps? All right, a little HJ test for you guys. These switches are nice. That's a nice space bar. Huh. I don't know if there's still extras, JF. That sounds great. Let me tune up the enter a little bit. Yeah, just need to tune up the stabs just a slight bit. There's a slight reverb with everything in here, but I'm not gonna lie. To me, that kind of adds some fun character. I might go in, and what I might do is I might add. Not right now, because I think I'm just happy with this. But I might add some of these on the top frame of the case. Dude, this sounds fantastic. It does look gold. I will say from most angles, this looks gold. From some angles, it kind of looks like it's rosy. But as per Rama norms, I'm not 100% happy with the color. But for the most part, I'm just gonna take it for what it is. I'm not gonna, bitch about it because I still want the keyboard. I think it still turned out really nice. These are the new SP Star Meteor V3s. Earbuds I'm using, God, what are these called again? Campfire Andromedas. I do agree with that, and that's why it's fabs. I'm not 100% sure if I want to go and eliminate it, because I do think I can eliminate it by just adding a few of these to the top frame. Because I feel like it kind of adds to the board, and I'm kind of here for that. This was, what did I click? This was actually better than I thought it was going to be. It's not that I went in with this with like low expectations or anything. I actually went in with this thinking it was going to be a little bit too like high pitch in a bad way, but this is way better than I thought. Very, very happy with this build. All right, guys, enjoy Marcia's stream. Love you guys. I'll be on tomorrow and we'll be talking tomorrow. Appreciate all of you guys as always. Thanks for the support and the love, and bye-bye, everybody. It's a nice space bar.